Pickering, a lively and connected community where you'll find the perfect balance between life, work, and play. The city is embedded in natural beauty and possesses small-town charm. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the waterfront trail, take in a sunset concert at Millennium Square, relax with a favorite pastime, have the kids play and splash about, or stop at one of the many shops and eateries. Its lakefront backyard, miles of pristine hiking trails, and countless neighborhood parks is pleasantly balanced by an emerging modern downtown surrounded by a wealth of amenities. Pickering boasts easy access to GO Transit, the 401 and the 407 for an easy commute to downtown Toronto, and has a diverse selection of shopping, dining, sports, and cultural activities. With all of the amenities and services that a big city has to offer, and home to some of the most distinct and enchanting hamlets in Durham Region, Pickering is your place to play. Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, 1241 Maple Ridge Drive is a captivating brick home situated within Pickering's sought-after Maple Ridge community. Nestled on a pie-shaped lot and landscaped with interlocking as well as manicured gardens in the front yard, this spacious and extensively updated home is perfect for entertaining friends and family. The main level showcases upgraded ceramic flooring in the foyer and kitchen areas, as well as dark stained bamboo flooring in the living, dining, and family rooms, as well as throughout the upper level. The spacious open-concept living and dining rooms have double French doors between their shared entry, allowing for semi-privacy when necessary. Both rooms boast oversized bay windows and have their own elegant finishing touches, a contemporary chandelier in the dining area, and decorative crown moldings in the living room. Centered around a brick fireplace and featuring a wet bar, the family room is a great spot for casual entertaining, which can easily spill out to the outdoors with its own walkout onto the back deck. Naturally bright and enjoying spectacular backyard views through 3 walls of oversized windows, the updated gourmet greenhouse kitchen showcases a center island with table seating, pot and pendant lighting as well as a skylight, custom cabinetry with molded uppers, undermount lighting, and a large pantry, a tiled backsplash and granite counters, as well as a stainless steel undermount sink and high-end appliances. Through the sliding door walkout is a newer composite deck in the fully fenced and beautifully landscaped private backyard that is perfect for outdoor entertaining, and which also has a hot tub for a relaxing evening soak after a long workday. Off the reception foyer is a spacious double coat closet, a large laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, access to the 2-car garage, and a separate entrance to the side yard, as well as an updated and beautifully appointed 2-piece powder room. To the upper level is a curved staircase finished with dark-stained oak hardwood treads, as well as recently upgraded railings and pickets. And this level features 3 very spacious family bedrooms, each with ample closet storage, a hallway solar light, and a 4-piece main washroom with a ceramic tiled bath area. Completing this level is the generously sized master retreat, which features a large walk-in closet, as well as a 5-piece ensuite washroom with an updated vanity with undermount basins, as well as a private water closet with separate bath and shower areas. Freshly painted throughout and featuring central air conditioning, a rough-in for a central vacuum system, as well as 2 garage door openers and 2 remotes, this home also showcases a newer roof, updated 800 series doors throughout, upgraded ceiling light fixtures and pot lighting, upgraded baseboards, and many of the casement and sliding windows have also been updated. The fully finished L-shaped lower level offers plenty of storage space and has a cellar, a separate workshop, as well as a 2-piece washroom. Finished with wide plank laminate flooring throughout, this level also features a newly updated ceiling with pot lighting, a brick fireplace, and chair rail. While off the recreation area is an open space ideal as a playroom or a home office. For a private viewing of this fine home, or for further information about Pickering and its wonderful neighborhoods, contact Sonia Sampson at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.